उठा लो. This is the foundation exercise, and at least 20-25 plates they develop in different forms. Actually, this course length is 10 days, 5 hours a day learning. But in case if somebody is not able to achieve the desirable results as gift education system, we increase the days because we never compromise with education. Very important. The minute details, this always helped in textiles onwards, in fashion illustrations, in textile like paisley, minute detailing in flowers, in landscapes, etc., in print designs, and very, very important subject for developing jewelry concept. They can do many things with this exercise. Anyhow, we stop teaching jewelry design because of we are getting less students and expenses are very high, hiring a place for them to teach in workshop. That's why we stopped teaching home fashion decor interior. But only we running 2 courses, fashion design, textile design in great length. This exercise of foundation boosts the morale of the learner. Confident moving pen, pencil, tools, whatever brush in any direction, in anyhow, in any manner, as they like, as they desire, in their concept. And this will certainly boost their confidence for the future professional practice. And with this exercise in foundation, they achieve great confidence of designing onwards, maybe fashion or textile. This minute detailing, this ornamental exercise gives confidence, and as well as if they frame it, this exercise, they can sell it not less than 2,000 each prints, earning too, or they can decor their home with this after framing and certainly build their respect in society, in family, which is very, very highly appreciated since last 30 years, from 1995, since when we began this NGO, Gandhi Institute of Fashion and Textile. She is Anna. Look up. She is in foundation, is almost completing the course, right? And what you say, sir, you done this exercise. You complete it.
जी सर.
How you feel that exercise?
सर एक्सरसाइज तो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है. फोकस बढ़ा देती है, फ्लो बढ़ा देती है, पेन का पेपर से कनेक्शन बढ़ा देती है. जो माइनर डिटेल्स होती हैं वो हम इसमें ज़्यादा फील कर सकते हैं कि कितने बेटर हम किसी चीज़ को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं,
Right.
कितना हम किसी बाउंड्री के अंदर रह के भी काम कर सकते हैं. ये एक्सरसाइज हमें ये सिखा देती है कि कहीं ना कहीं बाउंड्रीज मैटर करती हैं जिसके अंदर ही हमें फील करना होता है.
Right.
तो जो ब्यूटी होती है उस चीज़ की और ज़्यादा एनहेंस हो जाती है.
तो फ्यूचर में आपको सडनली हेल्प.
जी सर.
अरे आप तो बीकानेर से हैं भरत भाई.
जी.
Okay, you came from all the way from Bikaner to Ahmedabad, right, to learn this.
Yes.
In between, you have seen many institutes, but you decided, give, thank you for that. Anyhow, but when you taken this exercise to your home, how your sister, how your mother, how your father reacted on this exercise?
So basically they was amazed क्योंकि उन्होंने कभी ऐसी चीज़ कभी देखी नहीं है. उनके हिसाब से ये चीज़ें होती ही नहीं है.
Coincidentally, ऐसा chance नहीं मिला. They didn't got the chance to see such kind of things.
Yes,
But they are not the art lover. So after seeing your works, they may become art lover.
Yes sir.
You feel that?
Yes sir.
Now you are doing fashion. You are learning garment drafting.
Yes sir.
But you remember this foundation course, whatever the 10 exercise, different exercise you learn.
Yes sir.
It will useful for you in future.
Yes.
Onward learning.
Yes.
Good. You Mezavin, you have not done, right?
Yes.
But you will be enjoying after seeing this video. This is the exercise, this is the reference for you, what Anna is doing, right?
Yes.
So this all videos will help you as a reference, right? And reference we put in Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, as well as the YouTube. The total world is seeing, right?
Yes.
So everybody is learning from this. And the many institutes, that they take the pictures and they put it in their website. It's okay, we don't mind. Actually, our blogs, that where we mention that for education purpose they can use our all pictures or methods in their education. Because this is an NGO, we teach only 25 students a year in fashion and textile all together. So, and you know that this is an NGO, so we help certainly globally to the all people. So you believe that what I said?
Yes, sir. I totally
People are
agree.
seeing, people are appreciating, people are, they're replying to me. Thank you for the all videos and everything. But this is the, that I'm doing community services freely online, right? Thank you, Mr. Bharat. And Anna, what you say that you're learning this exercise?
I'm happy.
You are happy?
Yes.
And your mother?
She too.
Mother too? Your father?
Same.
Oh, father also fine. And what about your sisters and brother?
They don't understand. Sir.
They don't understand. You are the eldest one. Okay. Make them understand. Right? This is Anna, they're doing this minor detailing. Very interesting, right? Very, very interesting. Let me just take the picture overall. This is a deer or whatever. In that form, you have developed many things: elephants, birds, and dogs, and what different kind of animals. And you are decorating with the different textures. It certainly it's an admirable work you're doing, but not only everybody do in gift, because certainly somebody takes 10 days, somebody takes 12 days, somebody takes 15 days, but finally everybody learn this, right? So we have no doubt since 1995 we are teaching many good subjects, and due to our social platform people are enjoying in different apps, right? But how you feel that you are detailing horns and ears and eyes and everything and neck you have developed like architectures, and that nature textures are different, and suddenly you are using terrifically, right? Eyes and elephants. And this is what, fish or what? Oh, no, this looks like seal, right? And here, this is what I can understand. Oh, this is all eyes, right? You are not finished the all eyes, but finish that, okay? And this is the exercise you're doing, and this suddenly built your confidence. And what about your confidence, Anna?
It boosts.
Good. You're not happy.
I am happy. Sir.
You are happy.
Yes, sir.
You will remain happy in the gift, learning onwards. You want to learn fashion, textile, both?
Both.
So you are going to eat my head for 1.5 years. Yes. Oh, really? You're crazy. Okay. So put the one sheet for what she has done. This side, here. Okay. Okay. This is interesting. Oh wow! What a swing in the body, right? These are the, I think so. No, whatever. Shoes are interesting. Half pant is good, and the belly is going down. Bust line is, that like lot of horns and cuts, right? Good. Hairs are good. Anyway, second. This is that in foundation you learn all kind of different exercise like related to the textile and fashion illustrations. So what do you say, Anna, for that? You are learning this or in foundation only in 2.5 months maybe, right? This certainly will help you onwards more better, advanced level.
Yes.
What do you say that she will do on advanced level? Whatever you have learned, you will do on onward level like best with the watercolor, with the pencil color, with the pen and ornamental style. You can certainly different garments, that after learning all patterns and drafting and stitching. Okay, so certainly this helps, right? This is wavy effect, flowers, knees, whatever. different. Anyway, somewhere in combination, in permutation combination, you done some little mistake, but it's okay. This is the learning. Okay. Next. Oh, this is flower with leaves. Wow. And you are doing certainly good job, right? It's a decorative. You must develop your home, or maybe develop or decor your home like this. At least your bedroom. Frame it and put it in your frame in room. Or you have a staircase in your home, so put it on a staircase because it's a small frame, right? So while it's climbing up, people enjoy your art, right? Next. This is what, tiger? Very healthy tiger. Good. Oh, mustache like like Shivji ka Trisul. Very nice. Shivji likes snacks and panther skin, but you done something different. Anyway, this is the wild cat. Oh, this is elephant. Ganesh is like, that you can mold in any style, right? Because water made Ganesh, right? Water take any shape in any pot, right? Ganesh is very, very knowledgeable Bhagwan, right? In India. And overseas also people believe that. Okay, next. Oh, this is landscape. Why? This is dark. Oh, the tree roots are, that on the surface. Wow, this happens sometime. Grows like in hills, like the all that roots are, on rocks, right? You may have seen, or maybe not. I don't know that, but you done it, right? Leaves are very interesting. Like leaves like feathers, right? Bird feathers. Huts are like miniature paintings, right? You done a good job. Okay, next. Okay, so carry on doing that. You few minutes are left. सब तूने उल्टे रखे थे सीधे रखे थे उस तरह से फेस एनीवे पुट इट अगेन फटाफट बताओ बताओ ऐसे ही रखे थे सब लास्ट में ना मीटिंग कर रहे हैं ये सब किया है 1 minute बाकी 1 minute left but we need 15 minutes, right? Okay, right, okay, lift it. So Bharat Sahab, what do you felt that how she is doing? Because you are experienced, you done this exercise.
Yes.
How she is doing? Commendable?
Yes.
She will do in future much better than this? You believe that?
Yes, sir.
Because you believe yourself. That's why. Okay. And last few things, question to you. Suddenly you said that honestly the way we are teaching you like it.
Yes, I did.
You are happy with the liking?
Yes.
Every teachers are teaching well? How they behave with you?
Nicely.
Very nicely. They scold you?
No.
Never. Why we don't scold you? You don't know. Because the good teachers never scold anybody. Thank you, Anna, for helping us to taking your video, and people will see you.